Woo! Boom! Right here. This is the Battery Tender Junior. 750 milliamp charging rate right here. Simple, easy way to maintain and charge your battery right here. Boom! So you have this cable right here. So how long is this cable and what is this cable right here? So you have this cable. This cable is your alligator clip that will clip on to your battery. And this right here will connect onto the Battery Tender Junior. So this cable is included. This is the Battery Tender Junior over here. So this one is the long cable. And then this long cable right here connects this over here. And that is how you can now, so once you connect this thing together right here. Oh, that's a good connection right there. So once you connect this thing together, now you can charge and maintain your battery right here. And this battery tender will connect to your wall. The automatic battery charger and maintainer right here. Oh yeah, simple, easy, plug this into the wall, you're good to go. This is all that it comes with. Very important. So it comes with a long cable, and then it comes with this attachment right here that has the battery, the alligator clips right here. But this is a 2-in-1 because right here, if you unscrew this, then this becomes your battery terminal clip. So you see right here, you can unscrew the alligator clip. When you unscrew the alligator clip, you have about this much length of wire. So if you disconnect this one right here, this is the Battery Tender Junior with a wire coil right here, and this is the clip. So this clip will connect over here, and this clip is not very long to be honest, but this one right here will connect to your battery if you want to connect it manually, or if you unscrew right here, these clips right here will unscrew, and then these are your ring terminals that you can wire directly to your car, and that way you can always have a connection ready to attach to your Battery Tender Junior. Right here, this is the Battery Tender Junior with the alligator clip and the coil of wires right here. You can see this wire will convert to your battery ring clip. Very interesting design, but there we go. You have the battery ring clip. There we go, guys. The Battery Tender Junior right here. Oh, yeah.